What is happening in the world of celebrity and finance right now? We've got the inside scoop on major moves, surprising decisions, and the latest buzz that you absolutely cannot miss. From mega mansions and massive mortgages to evolving beauty standards and star-studded events, the news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and we're here to break it all down for you. Get ready for some unmissable updates that will have you talking. Let's dive in. The big reveal: Paris Hilton's latest financial maneuver has everyone talking. After snagging a massive Beverly Hills estate, she's now taken out an enormous loan on the property. Is this a savvy business play or a sign of something more? We're unpacking the details and what it means. Beauty through the AGES. Remember those iconic early 2000s looks? Paris Hilton is taking us on a trip down memory lane, sharing how her signature style has evolved. Get ready for a dose of nostalgia and a peek into her modern beauty philosophy. Financial strategy unpacked. We're going deeper into that multi-million-dollar mortgage. Experts are weighing in on why ultra-wealthy individuals like Paris Hilton might opt for such a move, and it's all about smart money management and maximizing opportunities. Find out the strategic playbook. Star-studded gathering. The countdown to a major awards show is on, and the presenter list is absolutely stacked. We've got a look at who's taking the stage, including some familiar faces and exciting new talents. Don't miss who's presenting the biggest awards. And that's just a taste of what's happening. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and let's get into it. Paris Hilton's bold financial play. What's the real story behind Paris Hilton's massive mortgage? We're diving deep into the details. The heiress and entrepreneur Paris Hilton has recently made waves, not just for her social presence, but for a significant financial decision concerning her new mega mansion. Just a month after finalizing the $63 million purchase of Mark Wahlberg's sprawling Beverly Hills estate, Hilton and her husband, Carter Reum, secured a staggering $43.75 million mortgage on the property. This move, with an interest rate of 5.25%, translates to a monthly payment of approximately $283,196, including property taxes, a figure that has certainly raised eyebrows and sparked widespread speculation about her financial standing. The estate itself, a 30,500 square foot French chateau-style mansion set on 6 acres, boasts lavish amenities including a 5-hole golf course, a private movie theater, 20 bathrooms, and a resort-style pool grotto. Hilton acquired the property for $5 million under the asking price, adding to the intrigue surrounding the subsequent mortgage. The timing of the mortgage, occurring after the property's closing, deviates from the typical process where financing is arranged as part of the initial purchase. This has led some to question whether this indicates financial strain. However, real estate experts and financial advisors widely interpret this as a calculated and sophisticated financial strategy, often employed by high-net-worth individuals. The core principle behind this strategy is to maintain liquidity. By taking out a substantial mortgage, Hilton and Reum are effectively freeing up a significant amount of capital that would otherwise be tied up in the real estate asset. This liquid capital can then be reinvested in other ventures, businesses, or investments that are projected to yield higher returns than the mortgage interest rate. This approach transforms the mortgage from a financial burden into a tool for wealth maximization and strategic investment. Experts like Dr. Lee Davenport, a real estate coach, suggest that the 1-month delay in securing the mortgage might have been to negotiate favorable terms or structure the loan for optimal tax and estate planning benefits. This aligns with common practices among the affluent, who utilize such financial instruments to enhance flexibility and manage their assets more effectively. The ability to secure such a large loan so quickly also speaks to Hilton's creditworthiness and her established financial acumen, despite past public perceptions. The fact that lenders were willing to extend such a significant credit line underscores her financial stability and business capabilities. This move is seen not as a sign of financial distress, but as a proactive step to leverage her assets for future growth and opportunities, a hallmark of sophisticated wealth management. The question then becomes not if she can afford it, but what exciting new ventures she plans to fund with this newly available capital. While Hilton's family history includes a notable instance where her grandfather, Baron Hilton, allocated a vast majority of his fortune to charity, leaving a smaller portion for close relatives, her personal financial trajectory has been one of building her own empire. With an estimated net worth of $300 million, she has cultivated multiple revenue streams and brand partnerships, demonstrating a keen business sense that rivals her inherited legacy. This strategic mortgage decision further cements her image as a shrewd investor, capable of navigating complex financial landscapes to her advantage. It's a testament to her evolution from a reality TV personality to a formidable businesswoman. Community reactions and expert analyses largely view this as a smart financial move, highlighting how the ultra-wealthy leverage assets. Analysts point out that the $43 million now available can be strategically deployed, potentially generating returns that far outweigh the mortgage costs, showcasing a sophisticated approach to asset management and wealth creation. But what's next for Paris beyond these major financial plays? We're about to find out as we shift focus to another fascinating aspect of her public life. Get ready to explore the evolution of a style icon. Paris Hilton's beauty evolution unveiled. From Y2K glam to modern mom chic, Paris Hilton is sharing her beauty journey. Paris Hilton, the ever-evolving icon, is giving fans an exclusive look into her personal beauty journey, tracing the evolution of her signature style from the early 2000s to the present day. In a recent interview, Hilton revealed that she used to meticulously handle her own makeup application, often favoring a dramatic look characterized by really smoky, black, dark eye, and her essential Y2K staples. She admits to trying the look again recently, reaffirming her love for its timeless appeal, particularly when paired with striking eyelashes and a radiant highlighter. This nostalgic nod highlights her consistent appreciation for impactful beauty statements. In her current phase of life, embracing motherhood to her 2 children, Phoenix and London, Hilton has adopted a more refined and natural approach to her everyday look when not engaged in public events. She describes her off-duty style as minimal, often seen with no makeup, her hair casually styled in a bun, simply enjoying time with her kids at home. This shift reflects a personal evolution, influenced by her role as a mother and the natural progression of beauty trends. However, she assures that her core Paris vibe remains, characterized by a love for glitter, sparkles, and of course, glossy lips and cat-eye lashes, all complemented by a healthy tan elements that continue to define her iconic brand. Prior to any makeup application, Hilton shared a unique skincare ritual, submerging her face in a bowl of ice water. This invigorating practice is her secret to reducing puffiness and achieving a sensation of refreshed, revitalized skin, setting the perfect canvas for her makeup looks, whether they are subtle or statement-making. This dedication to skincare and preparation underscores her meticulous approach to beauty, ensuring a flawless finish. Adding another significant dimension to her beauty influence, Paris Hilton was recently appointed as the global ambassador for Paul Mitchell. This year-long partnership signifies a powerful collaboration between 2 iconic names in the beauty and pop culture spheres. The campaign aims to celebrate both brands through a series of engaging content across digital, in-store, and social media platforms, promising fresh looks and elevated style. Hilton expressed her long-standing affinity for the Paul Mitchell brand, noting that she has used their products throughout her life. She admires the brand's commitment to quality, its timeless appeal, and notably, its stance against animal testing. This ambassadorship marks a significant milestone, aligning her personal brand with a company that shares her values and aesthetic sensibilities, further solidifying her status as a beauty authority. Fans and beauty enthusiasts have responded enthusiastically to Hilton's candid sharing of her beauty evolution. Many appreciate her authenticity in discussing both her past iconic looks and her current embrace of natural beauty as a mother. The collaboration with Paul Mitchell has also been met with excitement, seen as a natural fit for an individual who has consistently influenced beauty trends for over 2 decades. The discussion around her beauty routine and her new role highlights her enduring impact on the industry and her ability to remain relevant and inspiring. From her personal style evolution to her strategic financial decisions, Paris Hilton continues to capture attention. But how do these personal choices translate into broader financial strategies? Let's explore the financial playbook. Paris Hilton's mortgage, a wealthy investor's playbook. Unpacking the strategy behind Paris Hilton's $43 million mortgage. Paris Hilton's recent acquisition of a $63 million Beverly Hills mansion, formerly owned by actor Mark Wahlberg, has been accompanied by a notable financial maneuver, securing a $43.75 million mortgage on the property. This decision, finalized with J.P. Morgan Chase at a 5.25% interest rate, results in substantial monthly payments of approximately $283,196, including property taxes. The transaction itself was a significant deal, with Hilton purchasing the 30,500 square foot estate for $5 million below its initial asking price. The estate, located in an exclusive Beverly Park enclave, offers unparalleled luxury with features like a private golf course, a cinema, numerous bathrooms, and a resort-style pool. The timing of the mortgage, occurring weeks after the property's official closing, has been a focal point of discussion, as it deviates from the conventional practice of arranging financing concurrently with the purchase. While the substantial sum of the mortgage might seem counterintuitive for an individual of Hilton's considerable net worth, estimated between $300 million and $400 million, financial experts widely interpret this as a sophisticated strategy employed by the ultra-wealthy. The primary driver behind such a move is to maintain liquidity. By leveraging the real estate asset through a mortgage, Hilton and her husband, Carter Reum, are effectively freeing up a large portion of their capital. This capital remains accessible for investment in opportunities that may offer higher returns than the interest rate on the mortgage. This approach views mortgages not as debt to be avoided, but as a tool to optimize wealth management, enabling continuous investment and business growth. It's about making money work harder by keeping it liquid and deployable across various high-yield ventures, rather than having it locked into a single, albeit luxurious, asset. Real estate professionals explain that this strategy is common among high-net-worth individuals who prioritize flexibility and investment potential. Evan Harlow, a real estate agent, notes that the wealthy often use mortgages to ensure their capital can continue generating returns in the market or in business ventures that outperform mortgage interest rates. For instance, a tech entrepreneur might take a loan on a property to keep their investment portfolio, which yields significantly higher returns, actively growing. Dr. Lee Davenport, a real estate coach, further clarifies that the delay in mortgage application might be linked to intricate tax and estate planning considerations, or simply to negotiate the best possible loan terms. This indicates a meticulous approach to financial planning, where every detail is optimized for maximum benefit. The ability to secure such a large mortgage shortly after purchase also validates Hilton's strong credit profile and financial standing, demonstrating her capacity to manage significant financial instruments effectively. Miltiades Castanes, a luxury sales director, emphasizes that the affluent mindset towards leverage differs significantly from that of the average consumer. For them, a mortgage is a strategic financial tool that enhances their ability to diversify investments and seize opportunities, rather than a burden signaling financial constraint. This perspective aligns with a broader trend in modern wealth management, which increasingly favors liquidity and agile asset allocation to navigate economic fluctuations and capitalize on emerging markets. Hilton's decision, therefore, is a clear reflection of this sophisticated financial philosophy, positioning her as a savvy player in the world of high-value asset management. The broader implications of Hilton's strategy are significant, offering a glimpse into the financial tactics of the elite. Experts suggest that this move is not indicative of any financial strain, but rather a deliberate strategy to enhance her financial flexibility and investment capacity. The community and financial analysts widely praise this approach as a smart, forward-thinking financial decision that maximizes the utility of a high-value asset. Paris Hilton's financial acumen is certainly impressive, but her influence extends beyond the boardroom. Let's see how she's making an impact on a much larger stage. Paris Hilton among presenters for 2025 MTV VMAs. Stars align for music's biggest night as presenters are announced. The highly anticipated 2025 MTV Video Music Awards, VMAs, has officially revealed its first wave of presenters, setting the stage for an electrifying ceremony. Among the notable names set to take the stage and hand out awards are a diverse group of celebrities, including the iconic Paris Hilton. Hilton will be joined by other prominent figures such as Jessica Simpson and her sister Ashley Simpson Ross, the stars of Hunting Wives Brittany Snow and Malin Ackerman, and the emerging talent from K-pop Demon Hunters, including Audrey Nuna, EJAE, and Ray Ami. Other confirmed presenters include Megan Stalter, Nikki Glaser, Drew Barrymore, Ice Spice, Kira, Latto, and gymnast Livy Dunn, promising a star-studded lineup. The VMAs pre-show, a one-hour special leading into the main event, will also feature exciting performances and discussions. Hosted by Nessa and Kevin Kenny, the pre-show will include a performance by the up-and-coming K-pop group KATSEYE, who are nominated for Best Group and MTV Push Performance of the Year. This marks a significant moment for the group as first-time VMA nominees. Adding to the excitement, the VMAs will introduce the extended play stage for the first time, dedicated to showcasing first-time nominees like Bailey Zimmerman, featuring the kid LAROI, Lola Young, and Megan Moroney, providing a platform for emerging artists. The list of performers for the main ceremony is equally impressive, featuring a blend of music legends and current chart toppers. Headlining the event are Video Vanguard recipient Mariah Carey and Latin Icon Award honoree Ricky Martin. Other confirmed performers include Busta Rhymes, who will receive the Rock the Bells Visionary Award, along with Lady Gaga, Sabrina Carpenter, Somber, Alex Warren, J Balvin featuring DJ Snake, Doja Cat, Jelly Roll, Post Malone, Tate McRae, and Conan Gray. The evening's top honors are fiercely contested, with Lady Gaga leading the nominations with 12 nods, followed closely by Bruno Mars with 11 and Kendrick Lamar with 10. All three are in contention for the coveted Video of the Year award, setting up a thrilling competition. The VMAs ceremony itself will be hosted by LL Cool J, adding his legendary presence to the event. The awards will broadcast live from New York's UBS Arena on Sunday, September 7th, at 8 p.m. ET/5 p.m. PT. For the first time, the VMAs will air on the CBS broadcast network, alongside a simulcast on MTV and streaming on Paramount+. This expanded reach ensures that a wider audience can tune in to witness the celebration of music and artistry. The production team behind this year's VMAs includes executive producers Bruce Gilmer, Jesse Einjatovic, and Barb Bielkowski, with Van Toffler's Gunpowder and Sky producing, ensuring a high-quality and engaging show. The announcement of Paris Hilton as a presenter has generated considerable buzz among fans, who are eager to see her engage with the music industry's biggest stars. Her inclusion highlights her continued relevance and influence across various facets of popular culture, from business and beauty to major entertainment events. The diverse lineup of presenters and performers underscores the VMA's commitment to celebrating a wide spectrum of talent within the music world. From the glitz of the VMAs to the intricacies of personal finance, Paris Hilton continues to make headlines. But what can we learn from these high-profile moves? All right, everyone, that's a wrap on today's explosive updates. We saw Paris Hilton making massive financial moves with that $44 million mortgage on her new mansion, proving her business savvy. Then, we took a trip down memory lane with her beauty evolution, showcasing how her iconic style has adapted over the years. We also unpacked the financial strategy behind that mortgage, highlighting how the ultra-wealthy leverage assets for growth. Finally, we got a sneak peek at the star-studded presenter list for the VMAs, with Paris Hilton set to shine. Don't miss out on any future breakdowns. Make sure you're subscribed to the Spears Spotlight, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, drop a like if you found this valuable, and let us know in the comments which story shocked you the most. For more exclusive content and behind-the-scenes action, follow us on all social media platforms. We'll see you in the next one.